So my message for the youth is to dream big and to never give up, to persevere and go for the goals that you want. Strive for your ambitions, for your goals.
Put your heart, your mind and your soul into even your smallest acts. This is a secret for success.
They need to give it all. They need to work hard, to study hard, so that they equip themselves for the future tomorrow.
Be smart and focus on what's good for you. If opportunity doesn't knock, hold the door. Also, don't litter.
My advice to the kids out there, to the youth, is the only person that can help you is yourself. Drive yourself, go out there, look after yourself. Only person that can push you is you, and you can make everything happen.
Respect goes a long way, and if you respect other people respect you.
Ephesians 6 verse 1 to 4, it's honor your parents and your days will be lengthened, and parents, do not exasperate your children also.
My advice that I would give to the youth is to be educated as much as they can, humanly possible, because without education the country and everyone else wouldn't be able to go on.
Always with school holidays, do something, make them useful, then stay out of wrong things.
Learning and education can never be taken away from you. It's something that you can have with you forever. So many things can be taken away, but education can never be taken away. And one of my favorite motivational quotes about education is that knowledge is ultimately power, and you will always have that. And along with that, from being Africa's greenest hotel, you should always live a responsible and sustainable lifestyle.
So big up to the youth.